The power of your circle. How the company you keep shapes your world. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This is a notion famously expressed by motivational speaker Jim Rohn. It encapsulates the profound influence our social circles exert on every facet of our being. From success and wealth to health and mindset, the company we keep can either propel us toward our greatest potential or anchor us in complacency. Here, we're going to explore why who you surround yourself with matters and how it shapes your life's journey. Success is seldom a solo endeavor. It's a collaborative effort shaped by the aspirations, motivation, and the support systems that we create for ourselves. The people you choose to surround yourself with can act as catalysts for your ambitions. They set a standard. They offer a diverse perspective. They hold you accountable, and they collaborate with you to overcome obstacles. With a circle that shares your dedication to success, you can leverage collective wisdom, resources, and networks to open doors that might otherwise remain closed. Your financial mindset can often be influenced by the fiscal habits and attitudes of those you associate with most closely. Being around individuals who are financially savvy, investment conscious, and prudent spenders can inspire you to make smarter financial decisions. They can inspire you to seek out wealth-building opportunities and cultivate a mindset of financial empowerment. Conversely, if your circle is characterized by financial recklessness or apathy, it may be challenging to foster the discipline necessary for financial growth. Our health and wellness philosophies can be heavily influenced by our peers. When your inner circle values nutrition, exercise, and a balanced lifestyle, those priorities can become contagious, prompting you to integrate healthier choices into your own life. Surround yourself with wellness advocates, and you'll find that the pursuit of health becomes a shared journey. It's one that's filled with encouragement, advice, and accountability. Just as a mirror reflects our external appearance, the people in our lives mirror our internal thought patterns and attitudes. The conversations that you engage in, the shared beliefs, and the collective outlook on life shape your perception of the world around you. By surrounding yourself with people who maintain a growth mindset, those who embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and see effort as a path to mastery, you foster an environment where personal development flourishes. The emotional support of friends, family, or mentors is crucial in navigating life's highs and lows. The positivity, resilience, emotional intelligence of your circle provide a buffer against adversity. Being around emotionally aware and understanding individuals can promote psychological well-being and stability. In a supportive environment, you learn to communicate effectively, develop empathy, and build meaningful, nurturing relationships. It's important to remember that the influence of your circle extends beyond direct interaction. Their attitudes, behaviors, and decisions create a ripple effect that can subtly shift your own trajectory. You might pick up new habits, thought patterns, or interests through osmosis, simply being in proximity to influential companions, whether good or bad. Reflect on the individuals with whom you spend the most time and ask yourself, are they propelling me toward the life I want to lead, or are they holding me back? It's not about creating an echo chamber of agreement, but rather curating a diverse and dynamic circle that challenges you, supports you, and stands as a testament to the life you aspire to lead. Remember, you are the architect of your social landscape. Choose to fill it with individuals who inspire you to stretch your limits, motivate you to achieve your best, and remind you of your worth. As you construct your circle, do so with intention, for these relationships will form the scaffolding of your success, the framework of your health, and the substance of your life's most meaningful and transformative experiences.